Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's tutorial is another simple one. It is a Zara scarf and it is what you can achieve in about 5 minutes. So all you need for this gele is just your ashoke and your pin. The measurement is 50-50. So you fold your gele this way. Then if you want it to be more firm, you can add a carton at the front part, but then it is not compulsory. You are still going to achieve the same result. The only thing is, if you are tying a Zara scarf, you have to start from your forehead. You place your gele on your forehead, then you tie it at the back. So once you are done tying it at the back, you arrange it properly. Then you take one strand of your gele, one hand, you wrap it round and you secure it. Once you are done securing it, you can still arrange your gele properly to give you that Zara form, that Zara scarf form. So once you are done with that, you take the other strand and you pleat. So once you are done pleating, you secure at both sides and that is it. So this is what we are trying to achieve. So the last thing you need to do is to give your gele finishing touches. You arrange it properly and you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.